funeral. So pack a car and drive me out. I know they got plenty of young blood left in them, and plenty night in the pink sky, talking to enjoy. So clean the house, clear the drawers, mop the floors, stand tall, like no one's ever been here before or at all. And don't you mention all the inches that are scraped on the door frame. We all know the tiptoe up the 4-1 back in the way. If you could see him now, you'd be proud. Or you'd think days you'd be. Your funeral was beautiful. I think I heard you coming. Kids are in town for a funeral, and the grass all smells the same as the day he broke your arm swinging on that kid out on the river. You bailed him out, never said a thing about Jesus or the way he lived. If you could see him now, you'd be proud, but you'd think days you'd be. Your funeral was beautiful. Think I heard you coming. If you could see him now, you'd be proud, or you'd think days you'd be. Your funeral was beautiful. Think I heard you coming. Kids are in town for a funeral. So pack a car and dry your eyes. I know they got plenty young blood left in them, and plenty nights under pink skies you taught them to enjoy.